In the coordination chemistry, we are seeing there what is the coordination compound. In coordination compound, we are seeing there is a one of the example in which platinum, which is surrounded by the 4 ligands. Out of these 4 ligands, all these are the acting as the Lewis base, and central metal which acting as the Lewis acid. Lewis base, that means which donates a lone pair of electron to the central metal, and central metal, that is the platinum, which is given there. Now next point of this chapter, that is the types of the ligands. There are number of the types of the ligands which are the given there. Types of the ligand. So ligand which is a classify mostly into the two types. Classification which is given there. Ligand which is a classify mostly into the two types. One is a monodentate ligand, another which is a polydentate ligand. Now what is a monodentate ligand? Monodentate. Mono means there is only one donor side or only one single donor atom which is present in the given atom or in the group. So that means there are some examples which are given there. That is a chlorine, that is Cl minus, OH minus, Cn minus. All these are acting as the monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand means which is having single donor atom which is present in the given structure. Which is single donor atom or single pair electrons donor which is present in the given structure, which is known as a monodentate ligand. मीन्स याच्यामध्ये फक्त एकच असा असतो ऍटम. याच्यामध्ये ऍटम जे असतात हे काय करतात, एकच पेअर लोन पेअरची फक्त काय करतात, इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करतात. आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो, मोनोडेंटेड लिगॅंड. ओके, सो देयर आर 3 एक्झाम्पल्स व्हिच आर द गिवन देयर. Chlorine, oxygen and nitrogen, these are also which are known as the monodentate ligand. These are also known as a monodentate ligand. Now next one classification which is given there, polydentate ligand. Now what is a poly? Poly means many. Poly means many. In case of the ligand which is having 2 or more donor atoms which are attached to the central metal, this is known as a polydentate ligand. मीन्स एका लिगॅंड मध्ये 2 किंवा त्याच्यापेक्षाही जास्त जर डोनर ॲटम असतील प्रेझेंट, आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो, पॉलीडेंटेड लिगॅंड. पॉलीडेंटेड लिगॅंड इन विच फर्स्ट वन classification which is a further which is given there, that is a bidentate. Bi means there are 2 donor atoms which are the present in the single ligand. एकाच लिगॅंड मध्ये किती डोनर ॲटम असतात, there are 2 donor atoms. So this is the one of the example which is given there. This is the ethylene diamine. This is the ethylene diamine. CH2 CH2 means ethylene, and these are the 2 ammonia which are the present there. So these are ethylene diamine which is given there. Ethylene diamine which is having 2 donor atoms which are the given there. This one nitrogen and this is another nitrogen. That means in the single ligand which is having 2 donor atom, so which is known as the bidentate ligand. Next one, that is also which is having hexadentate ligand, which is the example which is given there. Hexadentate. Hexa means there are 6 donor atoms which are the present in the single ligand. एका single ligand मध्ये किती असतात donor atom? There are 6 donor atoms. So this is the example which is given there. In this example you can observe there, this is a EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate. EDTA means काय? Ethylene diamine tetraacetate. So this is the ligand which is given there. So in this ligand, how many donor atoms which are the given there? There are 6 donor atoms which are the present there. Okay. So these are the donor atoms. Which are these donor atoms? These are the donor atoms which are the present there. इथे जे dotted point दिसताय तिथे, these are the donor atoms which are the present there. Okay, these are the 2 plus 2, 4 plus nitrogen and nitrogen. That means there are 6 donor atoms which are the present in the single structure. हे एकच स्ट्रक्चर आहे आणि एका स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये किती डोनर ॲटम आहेत, टोटल 6. O minus O minus. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That means in the single ligand there are 6 donor atoms which are the present here, and which is known as a hexadentate ligand. Next one, that is ambident ligand, which is given there. Ambident ligand which is having 2 donor atoms, which is a user pair of the electrons, either donor atom or from the coordinate bond with the metal. So in this example, you can observe there metal which is bonded through the nitrogen. This is an example which is a NO2, NO2 minus. So this NO2 minus, which is the ligand, NO2 minus, which is the ligand and which is known as the ambident ligand. Ambident ligand means काय बघा याच्यामध्ये nitrogen and oxygen both are acting as the donor atom. Nitrogen and oxygen which are acting as the donor atom in this case, means nitrogen पण इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करू शकतो आणि ऑक्सिजन पण. So these ligands which are known as the ambident ligand. You can observe in this structure nitrogen which is bonded to the metal. M means metal through the nitrogen in the first case. In the second case, this nitrogen dioxide which is bonded through the oxygen to the metal. This is another example. In both of these cases, ligand which is the same, but donor sites these are the different. In the first one example, donor atom, that is a nitrogen which is bonded to the metal, that is a M. In second one case, oxygen which is bonded to the central metal. So this is the ambident ligand. Similarly, another examples which are also given there, that is a SCN, thiocyanide which is known there, SCN minus, which is also ambident ligand. SCN minus means which is also ambident ligand, in which in first case sulfur which is directly bonded to the metal, and second case nitrogen which is directly bonded to the metal. That means ligand which is the same, but donor atoms these are the different, and this is known as the ambident ligand. Okay, terms which are the used in this coordination chemistry. First one term which is given there, that is the coordination sphere. Now what is the coordination sphere? Coordination sphere in which central metal and ligand which are the linked to the each other inside of the square bracket, which is known as the coordination sphere. So this is the example which is given there, in which this is the coordination sphere. In the coordination sphere, Fe which is directly bonded to the cyanide, Fe which is directly bonded to the cyanide. हा जो Fe आहे, आयर्न जो आहे हा मेटल आहे, आणि हा CN मायनस जो आहे हा लिगँड लाटायचा आहे, आणि हे कम्प्लीट स्ट्रक्चर स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट मधलं जे आहे आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो, कोऑर्डिनेशन स्पेअर. is known as a coordination sphere. And this potassium which is present in the outer sphere, which is also known as the ionization sphere, or is also known as the counter ion, which is known as the counter ion which is given there. So in this example you can observe there, this is a counter ion, potassium which is a counter ion, and this FeCN6 which is known as a coordination sphere. Okay, counter ion means potassium and coordination sphere means inside of the square bracket complete structure which is known as a coordination sphere. So these are one of the important thing which is given there. This is the first one term. Okay, in the first one term we are seeing there FeCN6 which is the inside of the square bracket which is known as the coordination sphere, and this out of the square bracket, that is the potassium which is known as the ionization sphere, or which is known as a counter ion. So this is the example which is given there. Let's we check with the another example. In the another example, I am writing here another example. In the example, all students must be identify which is a coordination sphere and which is ionization sphere. For example, K3 in square bracket, nickel which is surrounded by the Cl6. Okay, so there this is the one example which is given there. Now all students identify given structure and tell me which is a counter ion, which is a counter ion and which is a coordination pair. I am underline here for the better understanding. This is a one and this is the second case. Now in the first case and second underline this atom. This first one case, this is a coordination pair or this is a counter ion. Yes, reply in chat box. This potassium, sorry, this nickel which is surrounded by the 6 chloride inside of the square bracket which is known as a coordination pair. This is a coordination pair and this potassium which is known as the counter ion. This is a counter ion and inside of the square bracket which is known as a coordination pair. Next one point, that is a charge number of the complex ion and oxidation state of the metal. Now charge number of the complex ion and oxidation state of the metal, how to calculate here? There is a one example which is given there. In this example, you can we are determining here oxidation state of the given complex FeCN6. This is a coordination pair. This is a coordination pair example because all these metal and ligand, these are inside of the square bracket and which is having -4 charge. Fe which is a metal and Cn6, these are known as the ligand. So you must be identify which is a metal and which is a ligand. In this example, Fe, this one, which is a metal, and this cyanide, Cn6, these are the ligands. And this coordination pair, which is having -4 charge. This coordination pair, which is having -4 charge, but we are calculating here oxidation state of the Fe. Fe means iron. आपल्याला काय करायचं याच्यामध्ये बघा, हा जो Fe आहे याच्यावरती ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट का आहे, याच्यावरती चार्ज किती आहे हा आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. सो इन दिस केस देयर इज अ वन फॉर्म्युला which is given there, that is the oxidation state of the Fe plus charge on the ligand. So oxidation state of the Fe into number of the ligands we are calculating here. So I am taking this example on the whiteboard. How to calculate oxidation state? Let's we see with the one example. I am writing here example, that is a Fe in bracket Cn6 and which is having -4 charge. Now next question for all students, what is the oxidation state of this Fe? What is the oxidation state of this Fe? आपल्याला याची ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट कॅल्क्युलेट करायची. आता हे कॅल्क्युलेशन कसं करायचं? सो मी आता याला जो आहे हा एक्स कन्सिडर करतो. आय एम कन्सिडर दिस इज द Fe विच इज एक्स प्लस सायनाइड, दिस वन सायनाइड विच इज द निगेटिव्ह लिगँड और दिस इज द anionic ligand. आपण ह्याला काय म्हणतो? anionic ligand. आणि सायनाइड विच इज हॅव्हिंग ऑलवेज -1 चार्ज. याच्यावरती चार्ज किती असतो? -1 चार्ज. हाऊ मेनी सायनाइड्स आर प्रेझेंट इन दिस स्ट्रक्चर? देयर आर 6. दॅट मीन्स -1 into 6. -1 into 6. So let me writing here in bracket -1. This is a charge on the cyanide into how many cyanides are there? There are 6 cyanide. So I am writing here 6 cyanide is equal to charge on the complex. This is a complex. This is a complete structure which is known as a complex and which is having -4 charge. याच्यावरती चार्ज किती आहे? -4. So I am writing here -4. Okay. So x -1 into 6 means -6 is equal to -4. So x is equal to -4 plus 6. या साईडचा जो -6 आहे इकडच्या साईडला गेल्यानंतर काय असणार आहे? हा +6 मध्ये येणार आहे. ओके. सो +6 मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू काय असणार आहे? सो व्हॉट इज द x इज इक्वल टू? इन दिस केस x इज इक्वल टू +2. That means charge on the Fe, that is a +2. charge on the Fe, that is a +2. So we are successfully calculating here oxidation state of the Fe. कसं कॅल्क्युलेट केलंय बघा, इथे काय करायचंय, ज्याचं ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट कॅल्क्युलेट करायचंय त्याला एक्स कन्सिडर करायचा. इथे केलं एक्स प्लस लिगँड कुठले आहेत, न्यूट्रल लिगँड आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह लिगँड आहे की निगेटिव्ह लिगँड आहे हे आयडेंटिफाय करता आलं पाहिजे. सो दिस सायनाइड विच इज अ निगेटिव्ह लिगँड, सो दॅट्स वाय याच्यावरती चार्ज किती असतो, एका सायनाइडवरती -1. सो -1 into 6 means there are 6 cyanide. Okay, so -1 into 6 bracket complete is equal to charge on the complex, that is a -4. ह्या कॉम्प्लेक्स वरती चार्ज किती आहे ओव्हरऑल, that is a -4. So after solving this bracket x -6 -1 into 6 means किती येणार आहे -6 is equal to -4 means as it is घेतलं. सो x is equal to हा जो -6 जो आहे दुसऱ्या अपोजिट साईडला गेला त्याचं साइन चेंज होणार आहे, दॅट मीन्स प्लस होणार आहे, -4 + 6. सो x इज इक्वल टू किती येणार आहे +2. प्लस कशामुळे साइन, बिकॉज लार्जर व्हॅल्यू आहे त्याचं साइन आपण इथं घेत असतो. सो दॅट मीन्स Fe which is having sign or which is having oxidation state, that is a +2.